Hi guys, it's Joyce. Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily embed the Google Business View virtual tour into your website. Now, one thing I want to point out is that it does have to accept iframes. So right here, just make sure that your website can accept iframe, otherwise you're not able to embed it. Most of them do. Occasionally you'll come across a website that maybe does not accept iframes, but just make sure that yours does and you will have no problems. So let's start from the beginning. We're on your Google Business page. So we're here for Orlando Carpet and Tile on their Google Business page. You're going to go ahead and click on the images and click on the tab here that says 360 view. And we are going to start with the very first image. You can start with any image, whatever image you want your customer to see first. And if you want them to start at that point in the tour, that's what you want to have up on the screen here. Position it where you want them to start. So this puts them right at the beginning of the tour, right at the front door here. So we're going to go up here. You see the name, Orlando Carpet and Tile. You see the name of the photographer, and you see here Street View and the date that this was taken. This is April 2019. Then you're going to go ahead and click on these three buttons up here and click Share or Embed. Now this share link, if you copy that, you can share this anywhere that you can share a link. In your email and all your social media. As you see here, you can go ahead and post to Facebook and Twitter. So you can copy this link and share this link with anyone, anywhere that you can share a link. But we're going to embed this directly into your website. So we're going to click on Embed a Map. And this is going to be the source that you need to copy. Here's your copy HTML. Just click on that and it will highlight it for you. And it's copied it now to your clipboard. So we can go ahead and X out of that. And again, make sure that this is positioned where you want them to first see it. I'm going to move it this way just a little bit. And align it really nice. So this is what, I'll copy it again to make sure that it's got the right coordinates that I want it when they first see it. So we click copy, we go ahead and X out of that. We're going to go over to our website editor. I'm using WordPress, sorry. I'm using WordPress. So here I'm going to go ahead and add a block for this, and we're going to use custom HTML. We're going to head and hit Control V to copy that in there, and that's all we do. We have to then update our website. And then we'll go, I have another one open here where I'm actually in my website. So we'll go ahead and refresh this page. You can see I have a couple here already. So these are embedded tours, embedded directly into my website. So as the customers scroll down, they can see a portfolio of some of the tours that I've done. I have some images and some videos on here as well. But this is the one that we have just embedded, and this is what your customer will see. And you can embed this wherever you want on your website, as long as it will accept iframes. Now, once they are here, look, they can completely enjoy the tour right while they are on your website. They do not have to leave your website to go all the way through this tour and experience your business online right directly from your website. Now, if they choose to, they can go ahead and click here. There's a link here that says View on Google Maps. They certainly have the option of doing that if they chose to do that, but they certainly do not need to leave your website to completely enjoy this tour and enjoy your business virtually online. If you guys have any questions about this, please go ahead and drop me an email, contact me. I would love to help you out, answer any questions. If you'd like to schedule an appointment to have some 360 images photographed of your business, just go ahead and drop me a line in the email as well, and we'll get you scheduled. All right, thanks and have a great day.